fabulous new game for you. It's called Snog, Marry, Kill. You have to choose between me, Catherine Jenkins...
Wow.
Or your BFF.
We've got a fade for this love. We've got a fade. Well, you wouldn't recognise my voice if I sang. Life is a cabaret, old chum, you know it is. And I love a
Gotta take a little time to think things over. Better read between the lines in case I need it when I'm older. In my life, there's been heartache and pain. I don't know if I can face it again. I can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life.
Bravo!
I wanna know what love is.
Bene.
I want you to show me. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me.
Very cool.
Gotta take a little time.
Yeah, man.
A little time to look around me. I better read between the lines. I Feel like love
Asta este
finally
definiția unui
found
muzician.
me. In my life, there's been heartache and pain, and I don't know if I can face it again. Can't stop now. I've traveled so far to change this lonely life. I wanna know what love is. I want you to show me. Yeah. I wanna feel what love is. I know you can show me. Oh, I wanna know what love is. Oh, I know you can show me. I wanna know what love is. Oh, love that you feel inside. I know you can show me. Oh, yeah.
When I got super liked by you, I knew just what I had to do. I swiped right back to you when it was a match. Woohoo! You sent me WhatsApp to say, let's meet maybe on Saturday. I replied with an emoji wink and said, okay. I got on my best attire. I was filled with desire. But dating apps are full of liars. Don't trust that group shot. The hot one, you was not. I wasn't swiped by you. It was your granddad standing next to you. Knew I shouldn't date by phone, and now he won't leave me alone. Simon, have you ever been on a dating app? I would definitely swipe left on you. I mean right on you. Without question.
Which one's...
I don't know, I drive on the left. But I still go back on that side, swipe left, and I swipe right. 'Cause you never know who you might like. You may end up with Marilyn tonight. That's my dating life. But there's one thing before I go. The worst thing about dating is men realize I don't actually talk like this. I talk like this. I'm Marilyn Monroe, known as Suzie Kennedy from South London.
Oh my God! I think it was Marilyn Monroe all along. London.
Yo, we're gonna do a little nursery rhyme rap with a couple rappers you might know. Here we go.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. The itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Yeah, okay, patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake, yo, as fast as you can. We got to roll it up and mark it with the V. Gonna put it in the oven for that D-O-double-G.
Pitbull, Mr. 305. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, as freezing white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb should have go. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, have I wondered what you are. Have I that we're so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, have I wondered what you are. Pitbull, Mr. 305. Huh, yeah, so the hip hop, hickory dickory dock. The mouse went up the clock, yeah. I said the clock struck 12 when the mouse went down. I said a hickory dickory dock, yeah. Yeah, Humpty Dumpty, sitting on a great wall. Yeah, that Humpty Dumpty.
Oh, Jay-Z!
All the king's horses and all the king's men, they couldn't put the Humpty Dumpty back together again.
That's it. I'm done. Hey, yo, Simon, what you think of the rhyming, dog? I'm out.
Day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart for every gain to taste the sweet. I face the pain. I rise and fall. Yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then in that one moment of time, I will feel, see, I will feel eternity. You're winner for a lifetime. If you seize that one moment in time, make it shine. Give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Just give me one moment. Oh, I will be free.
That's the way to finish.
My life is brilliant. My love is pure. I saw an angel. Of that I'm sure. She smiled at me on the subway. She was with another man.
How about this one?
No matter what they call, however they attack, no matter where they take her, we'll find our own way back.
Oh, come on, Gabrielle.
Wasn't right.
Oh, he's good.
It's great.
Swept away by you, and now I feel like a fool.
Very good.
Come on, put more.
I pay it off, but I'm dreaming of you. I keep my cool, but I'm feeling. I try to say goodbye and I choke. Hey, try to walk away and I stumble. Though I try to hide it, it's clear. My world crumbles when you are not near. Now, baby, come on.
All right. Oh, yeah.
Let me feel. I should have known, but you brought nothing real. You know I can't take this no more. You know I gotta let it go. And you know I'm out of love.
There's no time for us. There's no place for us.
Oh my God.
What is this thing that fills our dreams and yet slips away from us? Who wants to live forever? Who wants to live forever?
What Mickey son?
There's no chance for us. It's all decided for us. This world is only one sweet moment set aside for us. Who wants to live forever? Who wants to live forever? Who dares to love forever? That love must die.
We clawed, we chained our hearts in vain. We jumped, but never asking why. We kissed, I fell under your spell. A love that no one could deny. What? Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you.
I came in like a wrecking ball.
I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls.
All you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. It slowly turned, you let me burn, and now your ashes on the ground. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you.
I can't live a life running for my life. I will always want you.
Break you,